Today we will solve this expression correctly using PEMDAS. 3 minus 3 gives us 0. And again 3 to 3 is also 0. So 0 times 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, we cannot solve it this way. So we apply PEMDAS rule here. P for parenthesis, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, addition and subtraction. We first solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that, for multiplication and division we work from left to right. Same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do multiplication, then subtraction. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now let's rewrite the expression. 3 minus 9 minus 3. Working left to right. 3 minus 9 equals minus 6. And bring down minus 3. And minus 6 minus 3 equals minus 9. So the final answer to this problem is minus 9. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.